chop life. I want buy motor, I want build house. I still want to know. Let me tell you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If not, welcome back. Like, comment, and let's get right into the video. So today I'm reviewing a body wave highlight ombre lace front wig. Here I'm showing you guys the lace, then followed by the comb. So it has one comb in the front, two combs on the side, one comb in the back, as well as two adjustable straps, and it also comes with a removable band, which I definitely need to apply due to my small head. Don't judge me, though. Here I'm making sure the adjustable strap has enough stretch so that I can place it on my head and it can fit nicely. Tint spray in the color medium dark brown. I'm spraying my wig cap as well as the lace just to make sure that it matches my scalp, I guess, and then I'm sealing it in with a got2b spray, followed by pressing my wax stick into the front of the lace to make sure all the baby hairs and things of that nature is going in the back motion, and then hand combing it so that it stays there, so when I get ready to cut it, it's nothing in the way. So right here we're cutting the lace just to make sure everything is like fit to my head. I do like when I take it off and cut it to make sure I get the right measurement for some. The lace is undetectable because I'm not using any foundation, because I don't really do makeup, so I don't know how to match my skin complexion, things of that nature, and I don't really want to cover my freckles, so that's a whole nother story for another day. But yeah, here I am flat ironing the hair only because I didn't really like it when it was in its body wave pattern. For some reason it was just not doing it for me, but I did prefer the straight wave. I do have an entire series dedicated to hair installs as well as how I do my braid downs and things of that nature. Now, I know I'm not supposed to get my behind up and go to that door, but listen, I had to do what I had to do, okay? still wasn't too happy with the ends, but overall after I completed the look, it did come out very nicely and I was pretty satisfied with it. Just to let you guys know, this hair was about, I want to say $78 or something like that. Pretty much the final look. I was in love with it. I felt like my eyes popped a lot when it came to it, and it was just magnificent. Like, alright guys, that was the end of my video. Have a good day. Always remember this, that every new level is a new devil, and it comes in all different forms. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I got some goodies for y'all. Don't worry. And everybody who was looking for my fitness videos, don't worry guys, I will put out a video about that. But yeah, have a good day guys. Peace.